Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Coming to you from the Hershey RV Show in Hershey, Pennsylvania, Hershey 2019, where we are getting our first look at the 2020 models. And the reason it is kind of empty here is because today is Industry Dealer Day, and it is nice because you get you get to see all the units without the crowds of the public days. And it's easier for me to show you guys what's going on here. So without further ado, let's start exploring the floor a little more and see what they have.
I'm riding in my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV.
Alright, how about some Super Cs by Nexus RV here? This is based on the MV International chassis here. And let's step inside. I mean, this is, can we open this? That's probably an outdoor TV. I'm not gonna open it right now. But let me show you how spacious this is in here. This is, of course, there you go. There you have the international cockpit. Actually very nice. Here we have a TV in the front. Not the best TV location, but you know, RV manufacturers keep doing that. I don't know why. It's a nice counter extension, and this is a unit. It does have propane for the refrigerator, but it doesn't have a propane stove. It has induction, which, and here we have, it's that same Dometic two-way or three-way. I don't know if it works with DC. I know it's AC and LP dinette sofa, but then again, if you sit here with your better half, you're staring at the door. I mean, this would be the perfect location for a nice TV. Just saying. Frigidaire, galley, convection microwave. Back here we have bunks and another sofa, and your bedroom with a TV, his and hers, wardrobe, closets, and all these drawers here, which I assume become useless when you put the slide in. A pocket door here, or a slide door for some privacy in the bedroom. And this, I wonder, this is the emergency hatch, but I wonder why not leave it open as a window. But let's check out the bathroom. Yes, everything is very, very high quality, that's for sure. Here's the shower, which is very tall, but it is not very, very wide this way. You know what? I don't really like this unit all that much. I don't think it is all that well designed. It's beautiful. Everything is super high quality, but I wouldn't want to live here. It's not very ergonomical. I mean, this is super high. I mean, if you're, I am, 5'10", kind of normal sized person, and even for me, it is kind of high. I can imagine for a short person, it's. I mean, it feels very spacious in here. That's the only positive, and all the materials are very high quality. But I don't think whoever designed the floor plan was thinking with someone actually living long term in there, or even, and if you buy a unit of this size, you probably at least have full timing or long terming in mind, part timing, 34DS. Let's see another one. And these are of course two slides, one on each side. Very nice materials here. Very nice. And this is your cooktop, convection, same with the microwave, convection, microwave, induction, convection, induction, Robert. Think about it. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Good.
Am I in your way here?
No, I'm with the manufacturer.
Manufacturer?
Are you a dealer with?
No, I'm a media. I have a YouTube channel and a podcast.
All right, I'll let you know then.
All right. I'll just gonna do a quick walkthrough and that's it. Yeah. All right. This is a Dometic three-way or two-way actually refrigerator, which is propane. And back here we have the bedroom, which is very spacious. Also, they have that cover for the emergency hatch. I should ask why they have that. Here's a wardrobe closet, the same deal with this is a whole slide here. And here's the shower, which is separated in this case from the toilet and sink. Once again, you know, it's beautiful. It's beautiful materials. And in this one, actually, the TV is in a slightly better position because, you know, it's on a retractable arm that you could probably put it right here. So it's kind of more in front of you when you're watching TV. Of course, you have an extra sleeping area with a mirror on the roof, so you can like look at yourself while you're sleeping. By the way, very quiet ducted AC. That I like. Very quiet ducted AC. Let's continue here a little bit. Let's see one more. This one also on the international chassis here, and just another different floor plan. You have the sofa there, the dinette, and where would you have the TV? There in the front. So, you know, I'm very comfortable sitting here watching TV. I don't know, man. I guess I could be sitting here in the dinette having my lunch or dinner and looking at the TV. And man, my glasses are dirty. Why didn't you guys tell me anything? No wonder I couldn't see well. By the way, this one does have a propane range, which I'm more a fan of, actually. I'm kind of old-fashioned when it comes to these things. And this one is pretty nice. It's a Dometic. I like this backsplash here. This is a refrigerator. And back here you have your bedroom. Similar deal as all the others, but in this one the emergency hatch is in the back. And I like this actually large window here, but because if you back into a site like on the beach or somewhere like that, you know, a lot of sites the best view is to the back, and a lot of RVs don't have a nice window in the back. So it is, you have plenty of windows. There are standard windows, nothing like awning windows. Like perhaps I'm seeing a trend going away from awning windows and going back to standard windows, and I kind of like that trend, believe it or not. I might be in the minority. Okay, let's before we leave here the Nexus RV area, let's look at a Triumph, which is a regular C built on the E350 Super Duty van cutaway chassis. And this one actually is quite nice and spacious. It feels very spacious in here. Here's your Ford 350 cockpit. We have a dinette here, which is on a slide out. This whole wall here is a slide out from here on. You have a sleeping area here on the cab over with a nice big TV, which you could also, I bet you it's on a retractable arm that you could probably move like to an angle here, and then you could watch TV from the dinette, which is the only other sitting arrangement you have here. Here's your queen size bed in the back. Kind of walk around here on this slide out, which I imagine the bed would become unusable with the slide in, which is something pet peeve of mine. And here's a shower standard. It does have a ceramic dometic toilet, pretty big medicine cabinet, and a little more storage here, maybe for your shampoo and things like that. Sliding door, wardrobe closet, and this would be a pantry perhaps. Yeah, this could be a pantry area. More drawers. You have these command hooks here, but they're like in this receded area. So I don't know how useful those would be. All right, let's continue.